In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create text in Canva with a black background. So I'm talking about very specific text like this. Now, with this text, we can actually edit it and the black background will stay. Now, this is a text effect, and here's how you can actually create this. So what you need to do is open up your canvas, then go to text and then add some text, add any text. I'm going to add a heading and we'll just call this text subscribe. And what we can do is we can highlight all of this text. Now, once you've got it highlighted all, go to the three dots where it says see more, then click on text effects. Then you'll be able to scroll down and here you'll see the background. So if you click on that, it will open up a background. Here you can adjust the roundness and the spread and also the transparency and most importantly, the color. So if we change the color to black, what we'll need to do is highlight our text and then we can change the text color to white. And that's basically how you can get this background effect in Canva.